Today I would be discussing our project, The Lotus Walk, which is across a plot area of 5000 square feet located in E7 Arera Colony, Bhopal. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from buildify.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. My name is Preeti Tatia from PTA Designs Private Limited, Bhopal. Simran and Tarun Mulchandani are our old clients. We knew the taste, what they are looking for. The plot which itself was chosen by us is a corner plot that has a frontage on north and east directions. The brief was really simple and clear that they wanted 5 bedrooms along with a huge living area, garden, pool, media, reading and bar area. We approached the design with the idea of contemporary house with mindful touches of Indian elements that bring life, warmth and homely feeling to the space. The built form was then zoned into 2 halves: public area that accommodates living, dining, formal living and puja. The private area that had bedrooms along with the dress and toilets. The garden area is set with an already existing tree which we always wanted to save and involve in our design. As we enter the house, the first thing that creates a positive vibe is the puja, which is intentionally placed there being northeast corner and extends into the entire living space because the client hosts many satsang and pujas. Formal living or the drawing is designed to give an elegant and classic look. Every single detail complements each other. The furniture was used with subtle colors, with bright inserts and props. We really love to keep an eye on the intricate wooden details. We insisted the client to use Indian slate stone instead of any imported flooring or Italian marble, and added solid brass strip patterns to it. The living area further extends to the informal sitting below the skylight that extends from east to west, keeping it well lit throughout the day. One can clearly sit there and enjoy the play of lights and shadows that happen throughout the day. The furniture used in the informal sitting is their old furniture which was painted again, refurbished again and added with the quirky upholstery to brighten up the space, along with a Mossambi tree that brings green into the house, and a fixed sitting made with masonry and stone, having plenty of cushions, adding coziness to the family area. As we move ahead in the dining area, the feature wall complements the entire area. The door of the kitchen is handmade door inspired from Rajasthani architecture. Even the tiles that are used on the wall are handmade tiles with detailed embossing on it and having brass strips in between. The common basin is placed here and it is made of single marble. The dining area extends into an open deck and pool area which has an old tree. The master bedroom has been kept classic, clean and functional. The basic color scheme is in lighter shade. Patterns and colors of fabric brought in life. The master bedroom shares a private garden as well. Then we move to the first floor. The staircase is the real surprise. It beautifully sits between the Alanga stone wall, exposed concrete wall with hand-painted lotus and is finished in wood. So the entire palette really defines the theme of the area. The bar area that is adjacent to the media room, and it sits under the skylight and is placed smartly under the stairs. The stair is painted in human scale painting to portray the idea of larger than life. The skylight washes the mango tree that sits below, creating an indoor green setting as well. Keeping the area bright, the stair is finished in China mosaic tiles with few blue inserts and wooden railing. The client wanted sports bar look for their bar and media room. Media room was created as a multi-purpose recreational space. The spaces shared the Alanga stone wall, which we used to elaborate with retro touch themed frames. Giving it a rustic outlook, we had ceiling finished in wood with sleeper wood as rafters. Keeping the wall acoustically treated, fabric and cushion is used with the brass framing. The furniture used is Chesterfield sofa that stands out in the leather finish. The client's son loved to read and write, so we used this as an element for his own bedroom. The bright and pop elements are the carpets and the chair fabric added vibrance to the room. The poem written by the son himself is embossed on the headboard, bringing in everyday source of inspiration. The client's daughter was keen to have a vanity mirror in her room, so the entire layout was made to accommodate her wishes and requirements. The guest rooms follow the same design philosophy with really calm and soothing elements that pleases the presence with an additional tones of fabric. The living area is inspired by an English study, a space for some private reading and official work. The entire room is done in wooden finish with the veneer stained in blue finish on the table and cabinet itself, highlighting the entire area. The reading area also has an inward looking balcony to the living area that connects both the floors. Overall, the material palette for the exteriors was textured paint, exposed concrete wall, and Alanga stone, which all together complemented each other. The green elements added a soothing factor, making the spaces really alive and to be called as home. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible. Thank you so much for viewing our project. Hope you have a great day.